broken the van, which is understandable. It's a piece of shit, but we'll gloss over that. A little bit of clipping on the wing mirror, so my little this bit broken. So for all you young Fiesta owners, this is probably a regular occurrence, doing donuts in McDonald's, and I don't know what else people do in a Fiesta in McDonald's or fucking anywhere. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to fix this thing. I've gone to the scrapyard, bought myself one, managed to pick it up for £15, which I think is pretty reasonable, and I'm going to show you how to fit it. Right, so first things first, you need to take this little black cover off. So, oh, yeah, that was a lot easier than I was expecting. So yeah, so then I'm guessing the next bit is you've got, well, I know the next bit is you've got to somehow take these little clips off. So I'm going to go get a screwdriver and I'll be back with you. So I just had a wee poke around and this little black cap just came off, which makes it a lot easier because you just have to twist it and pull it off, and then it just pops through. Just like that, and your little black cap's off. Well, black thing. Your black cover. Next, what you need is, I'm prepared this time, 10mm socket, the elusive 10mm, to put on to here, and then you've got to undo it, obviously. Lefty loosey, righty tighty and all that. Pull that off. Then you got these little clips, which from being down the scrapyard earlier, they're little shits. So, and then there's also this little metal clip as well, which is also a little shit. Okay, it's coming. There you go. Your little... oh, I don't even know what that is. Then, you could probably just get round there. You've got to be pretty forceful. That wasn't even forceful. That was much easier than I thought. There you go. Your wing mirror is off. Now what you can do is you can either drive around like that, or what you can do, get a new one, which is what I've got here. Feed it through. With that. Both clips are through. And you can just put your old screw back in. There you go. And find your socket. There he is. Flip key to tighten. Watch as it pulls itself away and pull it back in. That should be tight enough. Don't want to crack anything. I'm just going to put this little ring thing back on. I ain't got a clue what it does, but it might be useful for something. I don't know. I mean, I guess it just holds the wing mirror in, so just we'll manage with that. Come on. The next job after not putting the ring on, because it wouldn't go on, is to put this back through this. So I can see this taking a while because I've already tried it and it doesn't want to cooperate, so I'll probably just come back to you when I've got this through here into one of the clips somehow. On closer inspection to this thing that changes your mirror angle, there is a smaller lug on this side than there is to this side, and that corresponds with the smaller lug that goes onto this side here and the bigger lug on this side. So just bear that in mind when you put your car back together. There's a smaller lug on the left, bigger lug on the right. It corresponds to these. There's two lugs on this thing. Yes. On even more closer inspection, whilst putting these two things through their little holes, I forgot about the little ring that we have here. Jesus, needs to focus a bit. Okay, it's not going to focus, but this little ring has got two little lugs on this one, as you can see if I put it up against my massively over pale skin, that they will fit in the top up here, and then you just twist. And that's how that's locked in. So then next, obviously, you put your little rubber thing over it, and somehow spend about half an hour trying to get the rubber in. Never mind, that's in. I overestimated that massively. And then the next bit is you've actually got to somehow fit these back into these lugs here, which from previous experience with taking my door apart is an absolute nightmare. So I'm going to zoom out a bit, and I will come back after this is done, because there will be a lot of swearing and probably a lot of anger going into this car, because these little plastic lugs are the worst design ever on a Ford. Come on. Why have you got to do this? Why are you fucking... For fuck's sake. Well, that's just not very good, is it? Fucking triggered. So after having countless issues trying to get the clip that I was showing you earlier on, I've checked YouTube videos. I thought, fuck it, I'm just going to super glue the thing in. So I super glued it in. You might have to do that yourself, because it was a pain in the arse. I've been sat here for about half an hour trying to get the thing in. I've also done this bit because the clips are fucked as well, as is much of the car. So I thought I might as well just get rid of that. Just don't worry about that. We're just gonna put it on. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. There's a clip there and a clip there. They go into a hole, and there's two little things where there's clips there. My one's broken, funnily enough. But yeah, that's how you put a wing mirror on a Fiesta. Works for anything. Apart from electric windows, I expect there's like a plug somewhere. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my really bodged install and shit install of a wing mirror that I broke and then fixed again.